Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a private page on your Weebly website. This is incredibly useful when you want to share exclusive content with specific people, like clients or members, without making it visible to everyone who visits your site. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to Weebly.com. Once you're there, log into your Weebly account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your homepage where you can manage all your websites and settings. Now look at the left side menu. You'll see an option labeled Website. Click on it, and beneath that option, you'll find Edit Site. Click on Edit Site to proceed. If you have multiple websites under your account, you'll be prompted to choose which website you want to edit. Select the one you need, then look at the right side of the screen and click the Edit button. This will take you directly into the editor page of your website where you can make all your customizations. Once you're in the editor, focus on the top menu. Find and click on Pages. This will display all the pages currently on your website, giving you a clear overview of your site structure. Next, click the plus icon to create a new page. From the options that appear, select Standard Page. This is where you'll set up your private page. Now type a name for your private page. Choose something descriptive so you can easily identify it later. Here's the important part for privacy. Look for the checkbox labeled Hide in Navigation and check it. This ensures that your private page won't appear in your navigation menu, making it invisible to casual visitors browsing your site. Next, you'll see a settings option called Visibility. Click on it to reveal your privacy options. Here you can choose how you want to control access to this page. You can keep it public if you just want it hidden from the menu. Add a site password so only people with the password can view it, or restrict it to specific members or groups. Select the option that best fits your needs. Finally, scroll down to the SEO settings section. Here you'll find a checkbox that says Hide this page from search engines. Check this box to prevent search engines like Google from indexing your page. This adds an extra layer of privacy by ensuring that your private page won't show up in search results, making it accessible only to those who have the direct link or proper credentials. And that's it. You've successfully created a private page on your Weebly website that's hidden from navigation, protected by your chosen visibility settings, and invisible to search engines. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.